Recently, I have created a detailed video again on the Writerzen for the 2024, and yes, its lifetime deal is back on the app. So the pricing is $79, and after getting so many queries from you guys that you also want a comparison video with the Writerzen, so here I am comparing the Writerzen with the Neuron Writer, so you get to know which platform is the good for you and you should select, because both is the really good tool. They have the really unique feature that is the different with each other. While the Writer is the most popular SEO optimization and the keyword research tool, Neuron Writer is also the SEO tool that can help you to boost your ranking and optimize your content better way so it can get the ranking on the Google. And if you don't know, Neuron Writer is also a tool of the year selected by the AppSumo. So this is the really complicated thing, because you have to select any of the one tool between them, because you know there's some budget issues, there's some features you want to get top notch. That's why I decided to create a detailed video. So hey guys, this is Basant here and welcome back to SEO YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to do a detailed comparison video with the Writerzen comparing with Neuron Writer. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So here are the both platforms available on the lifetime deal on the AppSumo, and this is the dashboard for the both platforms. So I'm going to get started with the both platforms dashboard and the user interface. This is the Writerzen. I'm going to talk about first about this tool. So it's a user interface. It's pretty much easy to use and elegant and beautiful. You can see this is all the features it is offering. It has the prime 5 core features available that you can also access by clicking here on the dashboard icon. Here you can see it has the topic discovery, keyword explorer, keyword planner, content creator, and the plagiarism checker. So along with the topic and the keyword research, you can also do the content creation, and you can check it out whether the created content is actually the original, plagiarism free or not, or it is just regularly kind of the thing copied from the internet. Okay, so this is the thing, that's why they also offer the plagiarism checker. And the version you can see here, this is the latest version. Okay, so now let me compare the user interface of the Writerzen with the Neuron Writer. So this is the Neuron Writer, and the Writerzen, its user interface is also really easy to use, easy to understand. You can see here from the left side you can check out all of your projects. If you have the team members sharing option, you can also check out all the share projects. Okay, and if you want to check out all the articles and the content you have created, you have to just go to that project. For me, this is the projects. For example, let me go to the one of my websites content. So you can actually see that I use the Neuron Writer for my content writing and the content optimization purpose. And see, once I selected the project, I have got so many features unlocked here on the left side. Like this is the content writer, management, performance, team, and the settings, and these are all the topics and the query that I used to create the content. After that, you can see this is the search engine for which I have just created this article, content competition. I got so many things that within the just main project dashboard I can just instantly get to monitor or the analyze. I can also check out the team members or whatever the time I have assigned them to fulfill this article content creation. Okay, and I can also check out the words. So as for now, if you want to know which one user interface is the good for you, I suggest both are the really good, pretty easy to use and easy to understand. So I think this is tie, but the next comparison factor that is going to shake you, because here I'm going to compare the both platforms features and tools you can access. So again, I'm going to get started with the Writerzen, and like I said, it has the 5 core features available. You can access any of them from here. So my favorite one is this topic discovery. So in the topic discovery, what it would help you if you are starting the new blog and want to build the authority. So this is where you can just get started with the topic discovery. For example, I want to do the topic discovery for the coffee. I want to check out all the major keywords, major things or the queries that I can start the blog. Okay, for me this is the coffee, but there are also some relevant niches available, like the local coffee shops, subscriptions, all this kind of the things. Like in the coffee, we have the cups, we have the dishes, like this one, espresso, lavazza, black coffee, cafe, healthy, these kind of the things, you know. So with the this topic discovery, I get to know any of this one. For example, I want to get started the blog on the coffee cups. So this is the coffee cup section. It has the total volume of this, and if I click here on the show ideas. Now it will show me all the ideas, headlines, and all the major competitors here on the coffee cups. And if I click here on the questions, I can also check out the top questions queries. If I go to the comparison, you can see these are all the comparison terms available. So that's how its topic discovery works. Same goes with the keyword explorer, but here while on the topic discovery we have just validated the topic and find out the topic. In the keyword explorer we are going to do the same thing with the keywords, and there are the multiple ways to start your keyword research. For example, you can add the seed keyword, you can add any of your competitor's domain, you can also add the wildcard search. This is the most exciting thing because here you can just with this single keyword term find out all the keywords related to in the short form, in the query, like A to Z kind of the things. Okay, I hope you are getting. So let me get started with the keyword, and here if I add the coffee beans, it will show me the results like this. I got to know the search volume, I got to know the trend, CPC, keywords, ideas, and whether it's actually the really pretty popular keyword, getting the its search terms higher and higher every month, every year. I got to know watching this search volume or watching this trend section. So that's how its keyword explorer work, and it's pretty much powerful. It has so many good filters options like the href or the SEMrush. Like this is the normal keywords. If you want to check out and just check the phrase match, just click here on the phrase match, and here now we have the around 2000 phrase match kind of the keywords. I have the same terms or the relevant terms kind of the keywords. I have the also search kind of the keywords. Okay, and there are the other things like these filters. You can just use any of these filters to sort out your results. So that's how its keyword explorer work. And like I said, not only you can do with the keyword topic, but you can also do with the domain and the wild search. Now let's go to the next feature, that is the keyword planner. So basically if you want to check out the keywords volume trend with the bulk list, you can just use its keyword planner. Just import all your keyword list and it will show the all the insights. Okay, then we have the one of its major feature, that is the content creator. I will talk about in detail about this feature in the comparison section of the content optimization and the writing quality, but let me tell you how this works. First you have to create the project like we have to do in the Neuron Writer, and after that in that project you can just access all your queries you are using for the content writing or the content optimization. If for example this is the one of my query, and here you can check it out. I have just created the this query. I have selected the keywords on which I want to rank for. I have also some keyword opportunity that this feature is suggesting me, and this is suggested by the Writerzen. So that's how you are going to select the keywords, and after that you can just do the your content writing really start in the easiest way. Okay, so that's how its content creator work. And let me show you how it's the plagiarism checker works. So once your article is done, or you want to also check out any of your team members articles or your own article that you have generated with any other AI tool, you can use its plagiarism checker. Just click the new project, add the article, and it is going to analyze and show you how much it's plagiarized or how much it's unique. Okay, so these are all the prime and the core features I have talked about of the Writerzen. Now let me also compare all these things and show you what are the features available in the Neuron Writer. So this is the Neuron Writer, and like I said, it has the only one prime core feature and the core purpose of its platform, that is help you to create the SEO optimized articles that can rank on the search engines with the minimum efforts. Okay, so for example, let me open this one. Okay, so and show you how its features work. So first you have to just okay, I think it is loading, so I have to wait a little bit, few seconds. Okay, it is loaded. So first, when you add your first query, it is going to show you the top 10, top 20 SERP competitors you can select from, and after that it is going to analyze those competitors, and after that it will show you all the keyword terms that should be available with the numbers in your article. For me, you can see these are the green keyword terms, means these are the really good enough number available in this article, and red mean I have used over time these keywords. Okay, so in the real time you get to know the keywords stuffing and the keywords quality. You can get to know the outline, which you can also just copy and get the inspiration from your competitor. For example, this is the number one SERP competitor that is ranking on the Google. Same goes with the number 2, number 3, number 4. You can analyze their outlines and you can add these outlines in your articles to cover. Same thing you can use with the smart headlines. Basically this is the smart headlines that the Neuron Writer is automatically created for you. Then if you want to check out the questions that should be fulfilled in your article, these are all the questions you can just add in your article and answer them, and this is the better making better to rank your article in the really high terms. Okay, and if you want to use its AI writer to for the content generation, this is the section available here, and there are so many the AI assistants available. Like you want to expand the article topic, you want to expand the expand your topic ideas, all those things you can do it from here. And while you are writing your contents, there's the real-time SEO score. It is showing me here. Okay, so it is suggesting me that my article should be with the SEO score about the 86, because this is the highly competitors SEO score, and right now it is the 83. So I need to do a little bit more things so it can match or pass this 86 score. Okay, so that's how in the real time getting SEO score helping me to write the better articles that will compete with the competitors. Okay, and I can also check the SEO optimization for the titles, headlines, terms, words. So this is how the Neuron Writer work, and it has the pretty much the only one core feature although, but it is the surpassing all other tools. So this is the great part. And if I go to here, you can see this is the management. Basically management will help you to manage all of your article that you are assigning to your team members within the time frame you want to get it done. Okay, if I scroll down below, there's also so many great features also available here. For example, this is the media. I can add the media. I can also use it from the YouTube that can search. For example, I want to get the idea on the for this topic from the YouTube. So this is the built-in integration available. Just search your prime topic keyword here, click on the get YouTube ideas, and now it will start fetching the YouTube, show you some of the ideas that you can work here. See, so that is the pretty actually really good useful feature available. That same again good feature is the stock images. If you want to add the images in your article, just go to stock images section, enter your prime topic keyword, and now boom, it will show you some of the copyright images you can use in this article. See, this is the big part I want to actually show you here. So for me now, that if you want the keyword research with the content writing, okay, so although its content writing is not that much of the capable of the Neuron Writer, but here we are getting topic discovery and the keyword explorer, and like something working kind of the content writer, content creator. Okay, so I think the Writerzen is good for you if you want something like the keyword research plus content creation. Okay, but if you only want a tool that is the highly capable for the SEO optimized articles, content optimization, creating the article that really can rank on the Google with the SERP competition, with the NLP terms, then I think the Neuron Writer is the best platform right now for you. And there's also the Plagiarism Checker available here with the highly collaborative team management options and the features available. Okay, so this is the thing I want to talk about, and I think I have compared the both platforms, all the features like the keyword research and the content writing, and for me the tool I want to suggest is the Neuron Writer. But if you want keyword research, topic discovery with the content creation, then I think you should also go with the Writerzen here. Now let me compare the both platforms, team management and the collaboration options available. So let me get started again with the Writerzen. So to manage your team member, you have to first create the workspace. So you can see this is the workspace I have created, and after that you have to add your team members in the workspace, and after that you can easily manage them. For example, you can see this is the workspace. If I go to the sheet and team members, here you can add your team members, you can assign them limits, you can assign them the task, all those things. So this is the pretty much good, really good if you want to just share your limits and the credits with your team members. Okay, so now let me compare with the Neuron Writer. So in the Neuron Writer, this is the dedicated section you will get under the any project. For example, you want to share the projects articles, just the specific project articles with your team member, so you have to go to that project, and after that go to the management, or this is the team section. Okay, so here you can just manage your content plan and you can add your team members. So actually the pretty much also amazing in the Neuron Writer, but here in the Neuron Writer I'm getting the more amazing extra features, like I can just plan the content and manage the content with the team members easily, because this is the specific features given here. Okay, and if I go to here, you can see here this one, I can just also check out my monthly limits, how many team members are used it, and I can go to any of the projects. I can just assign the project that team member. I can assign my expected date to finish that article. All those things I can also do it here. For example, these are all my team members, and you can check it here. I have assigned them team member and the expected date I want them to finish this article. So this thing you can also do it in the here in the Neuron Writer. So as for the control, I think the Writerzen is good, but as for the control compatibility and the control thing, you can just choose the Neuron Writer for the better team members management. Okay, now let me talk about the support. So in the both platforms, support is the really essential part. So the support is good. You can just access their knowledge base, their resources to check out the articles, and still somehow any thing that is the bothering you can just go to their helping section. You can see talk to us support section. This is for the, by the way, Writerzen. You can just click here and talk to them with the live chat. Same thing you can do it with the Neuron Writer. If I go to Neuron Writer main page here, let me go to this thing. So updates academic, you can see this is the so updates academic. Okay, projects. Let me see whether it's actually there's the live chatting option or not. So let me go to settings. I think there is the no live chat option I can show you right now. You have to mail them, or you can just go to this roadmap section. Okay, it will show you the only the roadmap features we can expect in the academy. Okay, there is no that kind of the live chat option. You have to mail them to get the support here. So I think this is the con I have found it in the Neuron Writer, but here on the Writerzen we are getting the live chat or the live talk to them option. So right now I think the support is the good and fast in the Writerzen. Okay, although the support is also good in the Neuron Writer, but if you want the fast escalation, I think you should go with the Writerzen here. Now let me compare the both platforms pricing here, because both are the available on the lifetime deal. So again, I'm going to get started with the AppSumo's Writerzen deal here. So its pricing is the $79, and if I go to the plans and features, there are the multiple plans available, but here you should take note how much the limit and credit you are getting. In the single plan, you are getting the 50 keyword lookups, 50 topic lookups, 50 articles per month. Yes, you can create the 50 articles per month. 25,000 words checked per day, means this is the for the Platinum checker. 25,000 keyword credits per month, means you can do the keywords insights kind of the detail you can get for the only 25,000. 3,000 keywords per import, 3,000 word limit per check, 20 keywords list, 2 team sheets and team collaboration. I think this is good for the individual, but if you have a team of the multiple team members doing a lot of the content creation and the keyword research, I think the double or the multiple plan is good for you. Now let me compare it with the Neuron Writer here. So Neuron Writer lifetime deal on the AppSumo start from the $89. First, it is the $10 more expensive compared to the Writerzen, and in the Neuron Writer we also don't get the keyword research. So if you want keyword research plus the content creation, Writerzen is the good for you. But you want more good SEO optimization, article writing, content optimization with the NLP recommendations, SERP competition, analyzing, and the team management with the better way, I think the Neuron Writer is good for you, and its pricing is just $89. Let me go to the plans and features and see how much the credits we are going to get. So first of all, we are going to get the 2 projects, means you can see here under the dashboard, these are the multiple projects you can see here, and these kind of the projects you can create in the tier 1 plan, and the limit is 25 content analysis queries per month, 15,000 AI credits per month, sharing level only the read, Chrome extension you will get here, standard AI template. So I think there is some limits in the credits here, because the sharing level is just the read for the team members. I want this sharing, reading, creating all kind of the level. So as for the individual, single plan is good for you, but if you have the multiple team members that you want to access your content creation, I think you should go with the multiple plan here, because here you will get the create and read option plus the extra more features like the content designer, Platinum checker, auto insert term, bring your own open key, Neuron API, ZPA integrations. Okay, so although Neuron Writer a little bit feels expensive, the features you are getting is the more valuable. Okay, so now it's time to tell you which one is the winner. So before that, I want to also compare one more extra comparing factor, that is the reviews. So Neuron Writer is the again came after the Writerzen, and it's not something like it's out of stock for the lifetime deal. That's why it has the more reviews like this, more than 700 plus. But in the Writerzen, it just came back after the so many months, and it's not something like it's always on the lifetime deals. It's came out of stock and again came back. That's why it has the little bit reviews less here, like the 240s, but the features and the combo features you are getting here for like the keyword research with the content creation, the Writerzen is actually the pretty good here. So here's the conclusion: if you want keyword research, topic discovery plus the content creation, okay, then the Writerzen is the good for you. Plus the lifetime plan here, for example the single plan, the value you are getting is also really cool here. But if you want more better SEO optimizer, content optimizer, then the Neuron Writer is the best tool you can get it here. And although it is little bit expensive, because if you have the team member, I think the multiple plan is the well good for you. Otherwise the single plan or the double plan is just good for the individual person who are creating the around 10 or 15 articles every month. That's all. Okay, and this is the winner concluding suggestion I'm giving you here based on your perspective and what you want from each of these tools. Okay, so that's all for today's video. If you want to check out both tools, the link will be given in the description. And if you really enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button. There are so many comparison and the detailed reviews I have done on my YouTube channel, so make sure you also like the this channel and subscribe it to stay updated with all kind of the new AI tools and SaaS tools reviews. Bye bye, take care, and I will see you in the next one.